100% up protection coating. Lens snaps securely in place for easy bulb service. Package dimensions: 3.048 L x 18.796 h by 6.35 w centimeters. Country of origin: China. Fit type: vehicle specific. 100% up protection coating. Lens snaps securely in place for easy bulb service. This product is manufactured in Taiwan. Top reviews from the United States. These are the same as you likely bought at parts store. It was perfect fit on mass-produced combination of edge and tail lights for trailers. All worked well, and it is the same fit for my 2015 produced trailer.